over there.
Wow! Where? Oh my god! It's a double rainbow. Oh my god!
Isn't that pretty?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Double rainbow!
You're gonna start crying?
What does it mean?
Look how bright it is outside now. Dad,
Double rainbow! Way!
and there's also lightning in the rainbow too. It looks cool.
What a Facebook! Oh my god! That was the scariest lightning ever! That was like lightning from a movie! Oh shit! Oh god, it's here! Get up, we gotta go!
Happy 4th of July, Canada!
Yeah, this is better than fireworks.
Look at that rainbow!
Yeah,
It's so crazy! Get Dad!
You're a pool, Jenna.
Get Dad! That is like the best rainbow I've ever seen. It actually has like an entire arch to it. Like that's crazy.
And it's a double rainbow.
And it's a double rainbow. Listen to that noise.
Wow, it's a perfect rainbow.
What is that noise? I heard that earlier today too.
Scary.
Aliens are coming. They're sliding down the rainbow.
This is scary.
This is like a
First
movie.
double rainbow, then extreme lightning, then mysterious sound.
This is like an apocalypse movie.
Ah, double rainbow. The double rainbow's a full one after the top. Did you get that video? Oh my god. That was like an intense big blade. Jen, better get that.